Every single thing that you could possibly do has to run through you. It has to run through what you believe. It has to run through your fear filters. It has to run through all of the things and experiences that you have achieved in life.
So here's a great thing about the Monetize Your Life system. You can get up early in the morning and you can come in and use your TV as an extra monitor, which is what we're going to be doing, using your TV as an extra monitor.
Whatever you do, if it doesn't involve creating a digital empire, you might just get left behind. And what we do at this channel is help you create digital products. What we do here is we help you incorporate all of that. We run it through your life and help you monetize it. I call it the Monetize Your Life Method.
We create our own flexibility, and that's the great thing. This is what I'm going to help you do. I invite you into the program. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to get massive flexibility back into your life.